guys, welcome back to another video. So we got the car nice and cleaned. As you can tell, we are at a Slush event, so that means we're gonna have a ton of cool cars show up. I'm gonna film as many as I can. We're gonna make it cinematic, so sit back and enjoy. And for the first time in forever, I am in an empty parking lot because I am early. We've got another M4 over there. A few other cars parking. We've got my brother who drove from Florida, so he's gonna be joining us today. But yeah, we're slowly watching it pile up with cars. right, guys, so we came to a second location, but it just started to rain. So like everybody is parked under a tree, just trying to stay dry out here. All right, guys, so we got a few more of us popping up. Chris and I were just bringing out the towels and getting some of that rain off our cars, but it looks like it's coming back for us. But yeah, hopefully we'd see some more cars pop up because it's a Sunday. We're here to stay out. So guys, we came to the second spot. As you can see that there was a lot of rain, so it got canceled. There's a few of us, so I was able to hang out with some guys and talk. But yeah, I think that's gonna end this video. It was a good day. It was nice to get back and go to a car show. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and just make sure that you subscribe to the channel, and we will be uploading more this week. So stay tuned for those videos, but peace out.